Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP enlisted the International Criminal Police Organization Interpol assistance to track down 6 armed robbers who stole over $4.4 million from an Ecobank branch in Bulawayo recently. Sanapenda mashoko atiri kuona as an update atiri kuona kuti aiwa pane new details anopindira atiri kuona ZRP inofambisa nhau kuti aiwa Interpol ipindire panhau ye4.4 million yakabiwa munyika yeZimbabwe. Ndoti subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda patapa mnhau mubudamika muzinzi. The suspects are believed to be local criminals residing in South Africa. Interpol is an intergovernmental organization that facilitates cooperation between police forces from 196 member countries, whose primary goal is to help police around the world work together to combat international crime and to make the world a safer place. According to the Herald, special investigation teams have been sent to Bulawayo and surrounding areas to probe the robbery, probably the largest in Zimbabwe's history. The gang is allegedly connected to multiple robberies across the country, including a cash-in-transit heist involving nearly 12 kg of gold worth $675,000 in October 2022. They are suspected of robbing banks, money transfer agents, wholesalers, and grocery stores between May and October 2023. The suspects include Elijah Vumbono, Elias Mupostori, David Sawadye, Israel Zulu, Kudakwashe Mudzingwa, Tafara Vumbono, Paul Chinake, and Brian Murape. Thomas wanobudaita kwa panapa zvinzi aiwa the police the ZRP yafambisa nawo ikati isusu takakuno kwabata katichimboisa ku Interpol imbotsvaka vakomana ava noda kuti pane macases avari kunze aiwa ndo vari suspected ndo vaita marobberies awa. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudimba pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ayo vina comment section medu musano subscribe or like channel, turn on the bell icon.